Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use Gen 2 to create amazing videos, a text-to-video tutorial. In this video, we are going to dive into Gen 2, a cutting-edge text-to-video model that will turn your wildest imagination into stunning generated videos. So, stay tuned till the end. Before we dive in, if you want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and improve your skills in using them, this channel is perfect for you. We regularly share updates and provide easy-to-follow tutorials on harnessing AI tools in today's landscape. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support fuels our production of educational content like this. Now, let us begin. First, let's get started by navigating to the Gen 2 Magic tool. Here, you'll find a simple yet powerful prompt box where the magic happens. All you have to do is type in what you want to generate. For instance, let us say you want a video of a tree on a deserted island. After entering your prompt, you can further customize your generation by adjusting settings like the seed value or enabling upscaling and interpolation for your video. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click the Generate button. Gen 2 will work its magic, and in no time, your video will be ready for you to explore. And that's not all. You can also rate your generation, which helps the Runway team improve Gen 2's performance. Your video will automatically save to your assets folder. From there, you can download it to your computer or continue adjusting your prompt and generating more videos right from the same page. If you ever find yourself feeling stuck or in need of some creative inspiration, take a look at the Gen 2 inspiration feed located below the prompt bar. You can even remix existing prompts to spark new ideas and directions for your video creations. Gen 2 also has a fantastic feature where you can use an image reference to influence your generations. Simply upload an image reference along with your text prompt, and Gen 2 will use the image as a guide for your video creation. This opens up a world of possibilities for your creative endeavors. To get the best results with Gen 2, consider structuring your prompts this way. Start with the initial base prompt, like a tree on a deserted island, and follow it up with in the style of. Then, include some different style descriptions. For instance, a tree on a deserted island in the style of professional cinematography with shallow depth of field feature film. This kind of prompt will return something more cinematic. Or a tree on a deserted island in the style of 2D animation cartoon hand-drawn animation, which will give you a more cartoony and animated result. It is all about getting creative with your prompts to achieve the desired outcome. With Gen 2, if you can imagine it, you can generate it. The possibilities are limited only by your creativity, whether you are looking for something realistic, cinematic, or completely out of the box. Gen 2 has got you covered. And don't forget, you can download the Runway iOS app for free and connect your account for even more generations on the go. This means you can create and explore wherever you are. That's it for this tutorial on Gen 2, the text-to-video model that lets your imagination run wild. With Gen 2, the world of creative possibilities is at your fingertips. So, go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start generating stunning videos today. I am really looking forward to hearing what you think. Do you think that the platform is amazing? I suggest you give it a try and see what creative things you can do with it. After you have tried it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I am excited to hear about your experiences, and they could help others who are thinking about trying it out too. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.